So first, let's define what is behavioral dimension. It is stated here. It is the understanding the behavioral component of the marketing channel is essential because marketing channels are not purely economic systems but also social systems influenced by interpersonal interaction. So simplified is not from my own understanding that the marketing channel isn't just about selling. It isn't just about distributing goods. It involves relationships between businesses and their influences and interactions. Because of their interactions and behavior, it can affect on how the operation of the business runs. Because of that interaction and behavior, affect the business. Because sometimes, because the way we interact is either gonna lead to cooperation or conflict. And conflict is normal sometimes yung social interact with other people, especially in business, right? So let's talk about conflict later on in this discussion, okay? But now let's talk about marketing channel as a social system. So I did mention social system a while ago, but per se, let's read it from here. A social system is formed by the interactions at the social cultural level in individuals, organizations, or organizations. To simplify it, a social system involves individuals, group of people, or businesses that works together, interacts together, but they have different interests. And, di ba, may run ng business, so we have to interact with them. But sometimes the way we interact and behave, it can cause either cooperation or conflict again. So the marketing channel operates as an inter-organizational social system where behavioral dimensions such as conflict, power, role, communication, and
I will be discussing the effects of channel conflict and on efficiency. So conflict in marketing channels can have three possible effects on efficiency. So these are three effects: the negative effect, no effect, and positive effect. So what is negative effect? So negative effect reduce efficiency, increase conflict, may lead to inefficiencies in operations. So when conflict disrupts conflicts, teamwork, and communications, operations may slow down, leading to miss and efficiency. So employees may waste time arguing or resisting decision instead of working productively. So for example, a marketing team disagree on campaign strategy. So leading to design a launching a product. So kato siya, nag-imo na siya o kanang na-miss na nila ang sale sa isang product. Kay nagbago pa sila dumaan, kay namin mga disagreement sa ilang campaign strategy. So no effect. Efficiency remains constant in channels with strong commitment and interdependence. Conflict may lack impact efficiency. So in organizations that with strong commitment and interdependence, conflict may lack impact efficiency because employees focus on their roles and responsibilities despite disagreement. So example for that is our restaurant kitchen team has minor conflicts over plating style. So ang paano sa restaurant ako nalayo ka ng conflict when it comes to plating sa isa ka meals. Dayon, but their commitment to service.
So the first of that is more direct channel or zero level, which is no intermediaries, manufacturers, sells directly to consumers. Like it is a type of channel where the company can sells a product through without intermediaries like wholesalers, retailers, and distributors. Like for example, Apple. As we all know, Apple is not sila naman yung physical store. Like, hindi sila one of mga agents, hindi naman kuha silang product para sa lain kayo. Lagi naman. So the second is indirect channels. So this indirect channels, it is a type of distribution channel strategy where they company sells a product to intermediaries like wholesalers, distributors, and retailers. So one of the examples for this is gonna be in the like Palisser, Novo, like iba naman, pupalit din sila. Tagaan sila, yung delivered product nila, tapos nila itong for like wholesalers, tapos ang wholesalers, maligyan ko nila sa retailers, tapos retailers to consumers. So, this indirect channel lang ay naa siya, itulo pala yun. So, ang number one of that is one level manufacturer, which is retailer to consumer. The second is wholesaler, retailer to consumer. Tapos, the next one is agent, wholesaler.
So my name is Derek Aguilar. So my topic is all about strategy in marketing channel. So channel strategy is a big word. Because though they deliver products or services to the so meaning to say channel strategy is the make a product. So the constantly, for example, ang yung sound product na ito is i-direct ang upload sa website. Kasi for example, sa ating cellphone, yung product, i-direct ang upload para natin gusto nyo naging-partner siya sa iyo just like for example, na sa product, i-partner sa iyo, computer, so naging-partner siya sa IT, so that is one way to understand. So role of distribution strategy. Distribution importance in long-term basis must be assessed, ensuring it aligns with other sector and functional products. So we need to say role of distribution. The role of distribution, they are distribution is the product, place, price, and information. So we need to say distribution is dapat in our organization. Dapat, if you have a product, dapat ang atong customer is mamit nila kung paano, mamit nila ang needs. For example, natin products na baligyan. For example, na yung mga customer is natin sa atong organization, sa atong business. Dapat, katoy lang yung makita is not sa atong company or sa atong organization. So, and then, next is marketing channel, strategy and the base marketing mix. So marketing channel, wala na tayo what is marketing channel, what ito is i-upload na through platforms. So marketing mix, there are
everyone making decisions in my topic is strategy in marketing channel. So designing first, number 3 is designing marketing channel. Channel approaches, of course, a differential advantage for competitors. So having a positioning channel strategically builds a strong relationship with distributors, enhancing product acquisition. So sa business is normal na ginagawa na lahat ay competitors, no? Especially diri sa Pilipinas. Dayon labi na kanang ako ang negosyo is kanang halin kayo sa market, no? Lagi na siya ay ang suhin sa imo ang mga product or sa imo ang brand, sa imo ang brand name. Then, dapat makita ko mga maging much better ng mga bata kaysa mga competitor. So, example kanang mga business nga tuloy sa online seller, kanang like Lazada or Shopee, nga ilagay nila ang product sa internet or sa buwan. Next is selection of channel marketing, selection of channel members. supply. So, muna yung gitawag ko kaya i-hold sa mga distributor para magawas sa mga product kung kuha ng iyang demand. So, kay dugay man silang tiwala. So, next example is sa clothing retailer. A small bakery. Second example is small bakery wants to increase sales and attract new customer. So, like sa pag-iwan kanina, ang kalagitan na is i-hold nila para ipakita sa customer, ibalik na din sa product, demand na din kayo sa market. Next is determining the closeness of business relationship. And first is motivating channel members to achieve distribution objectives. So, in determining the closeness of channel relationship refers to the level of interdependence and collaboration between a company and its partner channel. This closeness can very significantly impact and effectiveness of the marketing channel and overall success.
So good afternoon, everyone. I am Sharon Pinadera and I am assigned to discuss about channel design. So what is channel design? Channel design refers to the creation or modification of marketing platforms to optimize product delivery. It involves strategic planning to gain competitive advantage. So channel design is a process of planning or instructing kung asa-asa kaayo mo agi ang atoang products or services taman sa maabot dito sa atoang end user. In other words, channel design is about making decision on how to best deliver our products to our end user in a way na ma-define or ma-satisfy sila. So, channel design na siya yung mga goals. So, ang primary, ang pinakauna na goal is invest sales kay. Kinsa mo ko'y ganahan if magnegosyo ta dayon ang ako ang profit na makuha katong adlaw is piso lang dahil pagkauma, piso lang ihapon dahil pagkasunod uma, piso lang ihapon wala kung siguro yung gusto ko tanang no? So dapat ato adyo panikamutan na kung piso lang ato ang profit karon pagkauma dapat i-increase siya. So ang ikaduha nga goal is improve customer satisfaction. So para ma-increase ang ato ang sales, kinahanglan sa nag-limit ang customer satisfaction. Kaya syempre, kung ato ang basta-basta pa ng ato ang product or ang ato ang service, yun sa may ginahan buhol pa na ako, di ba? So, wala na ito. Despite the distribution task, despite the specific task of the distribution goals is crucial. This task includes market research, inventory management, transportation, customer service, and product promotion to ensure accessibility and efficiency. So, besides distribution tasks, means clearly defining who does what in a project. So, for example, na-assign mo for example, birthday party. So, ito siya i-breakdown into smaller tasks. Breakdown siya into smaller tasks para mas madali din siya pag-man. And then, for example, gawa ng birthday, siya may ma-assign namin design sa looking bags. Dayon, ang isang baker sa cake. Dayon. Things for developing